Samuel's here and he says, hi, David, do you see oil pulling back to lower levels over the next couple of weeks? Anything you can share is fine, much appreciated. Well, our forecast, which again on Monday we were on with Ben Lichtenstein, the great Ben Lichtenstein over at Ameritrade, and talking about crude. And we had been forecasting that if crude got above 80, it would run to 91, 86 first, and then to 91, 92. But 91, 92 is a difficult number to close the month above. So there normally is a reaction off of the completion of a number like 91 to 92. It belongs to a class of squares that is going to be active and is going to push the market back some. And we're starting to see that. So that is underway. There's nothing really that interesting on the pullback side that we see in crude, although we did talk about it today in the meeting a little bit, some of the things that we have, but nothing really that substantial. We also still see much higher prices coming, such as 103 to 105, but that's later this year or early next year. So keep that in mind. So yeah, there's still going to be plenty of trading opportunities, even if it's not just a straight line run until later. Thank you, Samuel. Stu's here and he says, hi, David, any new completions on March crude other than the 85, 86, and 91? Yeah, pretty much the same answer, just that they're reacting off of the 91 to 92. That's a pretty big deal to us, the completion of that. In the square principle, when we get bigger squares that get reached, the market in most cases is going to be rejected by that square in favor of testing a previous important level and so on. And that's what we're watching happen in crude here. Let's take a minute and let's take a look. I think we're in, is it March crude? I'm having trouble, or is it April crude? I can't remember. But this is the daily, so this is the pullback. They made a high, although in 93.17, so they got to the 91.92. This is very normal pullback in an uptrend. Now that they've completed 92, I'd be more interested in potential short-term short positions, whereas prior to reaching 92, I didn't even want to consider a short position. But I'm still more interested in the long side of the market than I am the short side.